Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. A very quick video on ticker symbol BZFD, which is for BuzzFeed, and this thing has been running back to back 2 days and beyond our expectation. Last Friday, it moved 85%, and in our private community, we played this from our entry to high of the day was like 62% move. The day before we also played this, our entry was around 1.28, 1.2. So if you look at the chart from 1.2 this till Friday, the high 237%, big move. So I'm going to talk about the support, resistance, and can it run even more. I'm going to talk all about it. Okay. And if you want to get daily trade alert with different ticker symbol with their entry and exit, then please join my community. You can see that last Friday we did some nice move. Each morning you will get some entry and exit point. Just go to the website, that's stockanalyst.com, click on get daily trade alert, and you will be taken to my Patreon site where you can sign up. Okay, so let's talk about the stock. First of all, the volume is insane. 21 is the average volume, and last Friday's volume was 233 million. If you look at the volume back to back 2 days with more than 200 million volume, so it's getting a lot of volume. You can see no volume here, lots of volume, and we know it has been coming up with some news, and especially if you look at that chat GPT, this is the current hype. So their news was regarding a partnership, ChatGPT, how they are planning to use it, and that particular word just helped the stock to run. So anyway, many people say this is like a NFT. When the NFT hype came, everything connected with NFT went up. So that's why it's going up. Maybe in coming future we might see other stock. They will have some kind of news saying chat GPT. Anyway, that's not my main concern. I want to talk about the price action so that we can make some money. Make some money, get in, get out, that's it. In terms of the option, you can see the implied volatility is 253%, huge volume moving around. In terms of the short interest, it's not about short interest or short squeeze, because the short interest as per Ortex 2.33%, cost to borrow only 25%, and utilization 27%. Yes, these things has been running. You can see the cost to borrow is running, the utilization has been running. So as long it is going higher and higher, many people will start shorting this because they will think, okay, it has ran a lot, it should come down. So you will see that the short interest is going up, cost to borrow going up, and shares available to short is also getting less. Means that it's also setting up, might be for short squeeze in case the volume is insane. But anyway, how we played this, first of all, if you look at last Friday, our plan was to get in around 2.6 or 2.3, and 2 was the next, but our high was 3.54, 4.6. And how we planned that, because if you look at this pre-market, it was holding this blue line 2.6. so once the market opened, it came below 2.6, went up again, came below, then finally bounced at 2.6, and from there it did a nice move towards 4.2. We were expecting around 3.7. Yes, it got the rejection here, came down again, bounced over that support 3.34, went over 4.2, came down. So now it is moving around this area. If I go to a 1 hour chart, why I have this line, right? You can see that this particular line 3.35 came from here, which is in May 22nd. If you go up, 374 is coming from here, and the other one is 4. Right around here, right? You can see the top here, top and the top around 4.3. So these are prior resistance. So this stock has been hitting those resistance. Now can it run even more? So let's have a look. If it wants to go higher, I see some resistance around 5, 5.6, and then you can see the stock at one point it was 10, 12, $16. I don't think it might run that far. Considering the volume is coming, maybe you can see a push. But if I add an indicator, let's say RSI, oops, I have too many indicators on. I'm going to close something. Yeah, let's close something, and I'm going to add it again, RSI. Let's see what happens. So on a 1 hour chart, and see how it works, right? So at one point on 1 hour, the RSI was around 80, the price was here $1, came below, the RSI came down, the RSI is again at the top around 87.90. As long the RSI is around 80 or 90, you expect a pullback. But if you see the RSI is coming down, maybe around 40, 50, you might see another push. So what I'm saying, just do not just buy blindly. Look at the RSI, look at the MACD. You might see a pullback, and if volume comes back, maybe it can go up again. But it doesn't mean it will just go up. You can see up and down, up and down. If you look at a 30-minute chart, you can see goes up, comes down, make a new support $2, goes up, comes down, make a new support at 3.35. So what I'm thinking, if it can hold 3.3, 3.35, moves around, then push from here, that could be a nice trade from 3.7, 4.35 and beyond. But anyway, this thing has run almost 2 times, more than 2 times. So it makes sense if it comes down. It makes sense if it comes down. Always watch the volume, because the volume is going up. If you see less volume, maybe the momentum is dying. When a stock is up like 2-3 times, I always say get in, make some money, get out, do not hold, and do not think go to the moon. Those kind of concept I don't believe. I just want to make some profit, that's it. Okay, so that's why I'm making this particular video for you. Let me know your thoughts. Again, if you like day trading, come join us, because each morning I give you some trade ideas with entry, exit, those kind of thing. In that case, go to the website, that's stockanalyst.com, click on get daily trade alert. You will be taken to my Patreon, and this is the recommended package, $15 per month. I also have few other packages. I'm also adding more option specific package coming soon, so hopefully our um, community will have like everything. But anyway, give it a try, it's not very expensive. Let me know your thoughts, hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.